Pawar is also a Kisan leader. He's of the Rashtriya Adhyaksh Kisan Sena. He's the Kisan Sena. अवनीत जी, क्या आपको लगता है कि ये जो प्रोटेस्ट जो 2 महीने से जारी था, रिपब्लिक डे पे जो हिंसा हुआ था, उसके बाद जो आज जो इन्वेस्टिगेशन शुरू हुआ है, राकेश टिकैत ने जो बोला है आपने सुना होगा, इसके बाद क्या आपको लगता है कि ये जो प्रदर्शन था, जो प्रोटेस्ट था, ये खत्म होने जा रहा है?
देखिए, पहले तो मैं ये बताना चाहूंगा कि प्रोटेस्ट में देश के किसान इन्वॉल्व थे, ना कि राकेश टिकैत इन्वॉल्व थे। राकेश टिकैत एक संगठन चला रहे हैं, वो अपनी बात आपके माध्यम से देश के सामने रखते हैं, वो अपने विचार रखते हैं। कुछ चीजें होती है जो संयुक्त तौर पे रखी जाती है। अगर किसान की बात करें तो किसानों का आंदोलन खत्म नहीं होगा, किसान अपना आंदोलन करते रहेंगे।
रिपब्लिक डे के बाद भी जो हुआ था उस दिन,
मैं जानता हूं उस दिन जो हुआ वो गलत हुआ, उसके ये चीजें नहीं होनी चाहिए थी। देश का सम्मान जहां भी आएगा किसान अपने आप झुकेगा, लेकिन किसानों की भी बात रखी जानी चाहिए थी। अगर हम बात करें, सरकार ने हमें लास्ट मीटिंग में ये कह दिया कि आगे की कोई डेट तय नहीं। आप बताइए, लेकिन इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि जो हुआ वो अच्छा किया या जिसने भी किया।
लेकिन अवनीत जी, रिपब्लिक डे पे जो हुआ था उसके बाद क्या आपको लगता है कि आप किसान के संगठन के पास कुछ लेवरेज है, कुछ क्रेडिबिलिटी है नेगोशिएट या बात करने के लिए? क्योंकि इसके पहले तो सारे जो टॉक्स के राउंड्स थे, आप बिल्कुल अडिग थे, आप बिल्कुल हिलने वाले नहीं थे आपके डिमांड से। और क्या आपको लगता है कि रिपब्लिक डे के हिंसा के बाद कुछ भी है आपके पास, आपके हाथ में बात करने के लिए?
देखिए, मैं आपको ये जानकारी दूं कि बात करने के लिए कुछ लोग अगर गलत हैं तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि पूरे देश के किसान गलत हैं। पूरे देश का किसान आंदोलन में बैठा है, हर अपने तरीके से सब आंदोलन में भाग ले रहे हैं। कोई भूख हड़ताल करके बैठे, इसमें बहुत सारे किसान इन्वॉल्व भी हैं, किसान संगठन इन्वॉल्व। लेकिन अगर 2 या 3 संगठन जो गलत हैं, जिनकी वजह से आंदोलन को नीचे देखना पड़ रहा है, तो मैं चाहूंगा सरकार उन लोगों को छांटे और इस आंदोलन से अलग करे। क्योंकि किसान सिर्फ उन 3 बिलों की बात कर रहा है, हिंसा में विश्वास किसान नहीं रखता है। शांतिपूर्ण तरीके से इस खंड में
Nupur, you want to answer that? Nupur, you want to answer, Avneet?
Well, I completely disagree that पूरे देश का किसान यहाँ पे बैठा हुआ है, because from what, even if they tried to do a head count, all approximately 16 crore farmers of this country were not actually in this protest. But I actually want to come back by answering his question and also the Congress spokesperson.
First his question, then the Congress.
Laws are not legislated, or decisions on legislation of laws is not taken. Decision on legislation of laws is not taken on streets. This is not a banana republic. If a law has been passed by the parliament, let the court handle its veracity, legal veracity as for the Constitution of India. But laws or any decision thereof will be taken within the Parliament and the Supreme Court of India. Now, having said that, Congress sounds like a confused outfit. From condemning the events of 26 January to today, Captain Abhinandan Singh saying that lookout notices should not have been issued, to sometimes, I'm sorry to say, saying, oh, the protests were peaceful. Then what were Ravinder Bittu, who's the member of parliament from Congress party, and Gursimran Singh Mann, who's a senior Kisan Congress leader, saying when they meant that Khalistanis have infested? Are Khalistanis peaceful now? That these people for the past 3-4 months have been saying Khalistanis have infested, and that's why the NIA please seem to keep him. Otherwise, the remaining part of the debate will become a heckling match.
No, Avneet ji, एक second. Let her finish. I'll come back to you. I'll come back to you if I have time.
Fine.
No,
I think the Congress party really needs to take a call on what.
Okay, so no, since you're asking a direct question of the Congress party, let's get Supriya in on this. You're right, because we've just had Amrinder Singh say, why are you going after small farmers who are protesting lookout notice? I mean, this is a part of the investigation. How else will you know who's responsible for what happened, Supriya?
Fair point indeed, but what amuses me is that the BJP spokesperson just said decisions are made by parliament and legislations are passed there. The kinds of ordinances that you've got on major reforms in this country, one would not believe that you either respect parliament or parliamentary procedures. And since I have been saying from day one, if you really are large-hearted and if you really want to find a way out of this, as a congressperson, as an Indian, and as the daughter of a farmer, I would like to turn around and say, you know what, be large-hearted, get another ordinance, because
no, but this talks have been happening, peaceful talks have been happening. I don't get it.
I did not know ordinances were ultra-virus the Constitution. Before this debate, I did not know ordinances were ultra vires the constitution.
No, I
And
can
did not
understand.
know
I can understand what you're saying,
a long
Supriya.
time
If there
after
were no
Parliament
talks
spoke about
happening,
the
there were
constitution
talks
and this
happening.
panel, this debate will decide that.
Shiva,
I did not know that
This
the
violence
Executive
has
Congress
happened
was
after
present.
9 rounds of
Madam, I
talks.
happen to be from
No,
a
not
farmer's
mine,
family.
actually.
I did not know you and I have the wherewithal to decide amongst us and to usurp the adjudicatory power of the Honorable Supreme Court of India and decide amongst us on India Today 8 p.m. debate whether what
Okay.
procedure is parliamentary or not or constitutional or not. This is hilarious.
Verma,
This is hilarious.
Don't
This
take this
is the
debate
first
as
No,
time
but it's a little late. Supriya, if you allow me. Supriya, if you allow me, it would be what you're saying about the government would be legitimate if there were no talks happening. There were talks happening at every round. After the last round of talks, the government said it would suspend those laws and not enforce them for 18 months. I mean, this was I hold no brief. I am just saying that there were constructive talks that were happening, and this violence has happened after 9 rounds of talks. It's not like the government was not moving. It's the farmer groups who were not moving, and then this violence has happened.
11 rounds of talks.
And all those attempts were to fire the farmers.
Okay.
Including suspension.
No, that's-
Because they kept saying the Prime Minister
That's
had
just
given a word.
politics.
The Prime Minister gave a word that he will put 15 lakh rupees in every account. Did he? The Prime Minister gave a word he will create 2 crore jobs every year. Did he?
Now you're just firing in every direction. I mean, come on, Supriya. Okay.
Will he?
I have
And
to-
now
I need- I'm out of time now.
The farmers are saying repeal the laws. Why don't you do that? It's that simple.
I'm out of time now. Okay.
But you sound like one of them. I'm sorry to say it. What is this nonsense about you not holding the people?
Okay, okay.
It is your job to moderate this discussion. Moderate this discussion if you can.
became filthy rich. He became a billionaire.
Don't put issues on
I have a question for you. This is a debate about rhetorics. Even I can go on.
What a fire, the fire, the farmers.
Okay. I'm completely out of time. Completely out of time. Nupur and Supriya, I'm completely out of time. I tried not to get the both of you to talk over each other, but that's the way it is. This is still a developing story. I just want to tell all of our viewers, this is, I know we've been talking about some of the other things, but this is still a developing story. Nupur, Supriya, Avneet ji, Mr. Kakkar, thank you very much for joining.